4 truths to keep in mind when you are dealing with people who hate you. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. Even Jesus was hated, misunderstood, and rejected. Number 1, don't take it personally. People often hate you because of their own pain, jealousy, or insecurity. What they feel about you usually says more about them than it does about you. Number 2, don't respond the same way. Hate grows when you feed it. Number 2, the Bible says, do not repay evil for evil. Stay calm. Stay respectful. Protect your peace. Number 3, set boundaries, not battles. You don't have to explain yourself to everyone. Distance is sometimes wisdom, not weakness. Number 4, let God defend you. God sees what people say and do in secret. When you let Him handle it, He lifts you higher than revenge ever could. So pray for those who hate you, forgive them, and keep walking in purpose. Don't let hate distract you from where God is taking you. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Every time you do, you help us grow and reach more people. Thank you for being part of our community and supporting our work.